Ladies and gentlemen, we're all stuck in a format because the star has to answer certain questions. All of us have to do it. But we've been very lucky. India's full of second chances. So apparently Farah Khan was passing by, and we're trying this again. We're trying to get a good interview because this is on air. So ladies and gentlemen, give her a round of applause for being so gracious. Farah Khan, part 2. The bench, please.
Hello, everybody. Sorry for this. You all had to watch Cyrus do this.
No.
Again, I have to sit on the bench with you.
Farah, just a few questions. We've got a sponsor now. We're doing
So
very
am I
well.
getting paid this time?
Well, in cuddles.
By you?
No, we've got a few people on standby. You can choose.
Them?
Could be, sir. Could be. Some of the cameras are not even loaded. Some of them are not even cameras. Someone's holding a but yeah. But Farah, can we do just 1 or 2 questions?
We can. Did you tell them that this episode was actually 3 years after Tismar Khan released?
It was.
So, I'm still waiting for it to hit the 100 crore mark.
Yes. Thank you. Farah Khan on the bench. Farah, that was a long time ago. Happy New Year, just released. It's been one of the most successful films of.
God is great. Yeah.
You are benevolent. It's all about the. I mean, what do you think? I'm getting better, huh? So
the citronella petrol helping you, huh?
But I told you we don't want to discuss that anymore. And anyway, malaria is on the rise, so everyone should have their citronella shots, according to me.
Like this.
You could, or you could just inhale it randomly. You could put in a pressure cooker.
Or just be where there are mosquitoes.
That would be a great idea.
Okay.
Anywhere out of Bombay. Farah, coming back, Happy New Year was a success. Everyone in India has seen your film.
It's still going on.
It's still happening. Sorry. Happy New Year is a huge success and is going to keep going on. Happy New Year is a great success. But what's interesting, Farah, is...
keep repeating every sentence 4 times, yeah?
Because in my head there are about 5 cameras, so I'm getting different angles.
They will all shoot at the same time.
Okay,
they all shoot at the same time.
That's excellent to know.
Farah, you're really in trouble.
We're in trouble. Farah, we've got a very important question to ask you. Underneath pressure of making a very successful film and the stars, it's exhausting. But filmmaking is a cathartic process. During the course of the film, I can understand it must be exhausting. You had so many things to do. So other people have overlooked this, but I was going through your film and I realized that you obviously were using a wrong calendar because you released a birthday, yeah. Sonu Sood's a good day to read happy.
Okay, I'm definitely not making happy birthday. Move on to the next question.
Here's our bit. I just need to pull this out. We've got a sponsor. This is our sensational moment of the day, guys.
It's ulta, at least make it seedha.
It's Panchranga matchboxes, bench.
It's parachute matchbox.
It is parachute, that's right. Could you just, I have to ask you a few questions. This is our sensational segment. Apparently the news is just that you've been getting death threats from gang. Everybody knows about this.
Do you think it's funny?
Oh, no.
Do you think it's funny to have the underworld after you?
No, I believe that if the underworld was, why would you come here and put my life in danger, Farah? I mean, you could have called for this press conference.
Well, sir, you know, the cops advised to go somewhere where they think nobody will come and to be with people who do think nobody will be around them. Which is why
as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, a special moment. Farah Khan saved her life. That will be tomorrow's headline, Farah. I'm excited about this. Plus I'm Parsi. I cannot be touched. There were like 7 of us in the Tigers.
I'm half Parsi. You mean only half of me?
Yeah. No, sorry about that. Anyway, Farah, we have Thaba. Last time we didn't have any money, so we couldn't release the show. But this time, if you could just do 4, I've heard you got a very big Twitter following. We need one happy shot and saying, one depressed one, and one just straight to camera.
I have to hold this matchbox.
I wanted to, but I've got like 4 people on Twitter, and 3 are cousins.
Is this show sponsored?
Yeah, this is.
Are they paying for this?
Yeah,
for this event?
Yes. So if you just do this, Farah, I've already told her you'll be doing.
4 dabbas of matches home.
You want me to pay you in match?
Obviously, you don't have any money, Cyrus, or you wouldn't be sitting here on this.
Farah, we'll finish the deal in 1.5 match boxes.
But how cheap are you? Yeah, 3.
3 and 3 Thilis. 3 and 4 Thilis. And I'll throw
And then you can citronella with this match box.
Again, please don't say that, Farah. But
are they paying for the food also?
They are paying for the food, guys.
Oh, guys, there's food also.
There is also. And thank you so much for being here, Farah. Just do me that saying...
Parachute matchbox.
Right.
Also helps in...
No, the tagline is parachute ho jao. Thanks. What are you doing, Farah? Please don't do that. Okay, anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that's the first time we've had a really good interview for, and I'm really excited about this. I'm excited about our...
Are we done?
Yeah. Hey, Farah, I think you just
I
list.
need you
I think
in
list
front
again.
of me while I make my exit.
No, don't make your exit, Farah. Come back. Where are you going? I'm not a human curtain.
I'm using you as a human shield.
My God. I think we'll have to check everybody. Some people don't look like reporters, especially this gentleman with the light beard.
There is one person there with specs. Definitely not a reporter. Vikram, it's you.
Yeah. Could you stand up, sir?
See, he is not, because he's standing up and covering the camera behind him. That was a trick question.
But I think he's a nice guy who just looks suspicious. You know, it's not his fault. Like, you just randomly get picked in a lineup.
And see, what is he doing?
This is what? Take a call. He's taking a call.
Taking out something.
किससे बात कर रहे हैं आप? Girlfriends. Oh, it's going to be a hit.
That shows how much people are going to watch your...
We have a hit. But ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for shooting the bench with us. It was a lot of fun.
Don't say shooting.
Then what do I do?
There's a threat. Fool.
Yeah.
Don't use words.
I'm so sorry. That was the wrong use. Thank you for, the shoot? Oh no.
You can't
oh,
say
no.
that.
Yeah. Shot? Oh no.
What is he doing?
Okay, guys. Sorry about that. Anyway, hop over. And guys, thank you so much for up. That was the bench. Please share the news. And yourself. Farah, thank you for being here. Ria, just stand right in front of Farah in any drama.
So, anybody have any questions regarding the bench, regarding Humble Pie? We are open to it. But please episode and enjoy. There'll be a lot more coming. We're looking at shooting with Barack Obama.
Yeah.
Looking at shooting with Narendra Modi.
Yeah.
Namo's going to be on the bench.
Yeah. Don't use that word again and again, shooting. Because you see,
sorry, we're going to be capturing.
Capturing is the right word. But that's also a word. Capturing is...
We're going to think about Putin.
Yeah. So we've got quite a...
Filming. Say filming.
Filming. We're going to be filming with some super celebrity around the world.
Why is he standing in the good light?
And we also do birthday parties. So having those, you can call us. That'll be fun.